Nawawala yung boses, lakasan! Lakasan yung
We destroy the heaven that was called earth. The earth has been really good, and we have spirit, move over it, and destroy all things. And he said, let there be darkness. And there was darkness, and he liked the darkness. So we called the darkness security, and we divided ourselves in the races, and religion, and classes of society, and there was no morning, and no evening, on the seventh day before the end. And we said, let there be a strong government to control us in our darkness. Let there be army to control our bodies, so that we may learn to give one another needy and efficiency in our darkness. And there was no evening and no morning on the sixth day before the end. And we said, let there be rockets. And God, boom! Security faster and easier. Boom, 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 boom. Let there be gas chambers and furnaces to devour sorrow, and there was no evening and no morning on the sixth day before the end. And he said, let there be drums and other forms of escape, for there is symptoms and annoyance, reality, which is disturbing our comfort, and there was no evening and no morning on the first day before the end. And we said, let there be division among the nations, so that we may know who is our common enemy. And there was no evening and no morning on the third day before the end. And finally we said, let us create God in our image. Let some other God compete with us. Let us say that God thinks us to kill, hates us to hate, and kills us to kill. And there was no morning and no evening on the second day before the end. On the last day, there was a great noise on the face of the earth. Fire consumed the beautiful grove, and there was silence. The black earth now rested to worship the one true God, and God saw all that we had done, and in the silence, over the smoldering ruin, God said, Dum, 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 ah, 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 dum, 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 ah. Reverse Creation by Bernard Bachman. Dum, 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 ah, 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 dum, 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 ah, dum, 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 ah, dum, 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 ah, dum, dum,
Oh.